Friends, now there is this big news coming up related to CNR rules for PSTR, GPSTR and HSTR. Karnataka Rajya Patra has been released now, and this is dated 14th July 2026. Now this is a big PDF. Half portion is, first they have written everything in Kannada, and then they have written in English. So I will start with the English part only, because things will become easy for us to understand there. Now this is the one. So here you can see this is dated 14th July 2026, and this is the draft rule. Okay, you can submit your objections, and you will have to subject objections, because there are many things. In fact, this draft rules have been giving us shocked details. Now I have highlighted all the details. Let me discuss with you the important ones, because it is a big PDF. No, I will post this in the Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel and read the rules by yourself also. So basically here the draft is talking about the PSTR, GPSTR and computer science teachers along with physical education teachers. First they are telling about PSTR and GPSTR. Later they are also telling about the HSTR also. And so here you can see I am giving you only the important details. Okay, so here they are telling that the medium of examination will be both in Kannada and English, and they are telling that you have to score minimum 35% of marks in each paper of the competitive exam. Then only you will be eligible and you will be considered for selection, irrespective of whatever is your category of reservation. Okay, then they are telling method of selection, what it will be there. First they will make one merit list of eligible candidates, and then they will also consider the teacher eligibility test, qualifying examination and teacher education course. Using all that, they will be making the merit list. Okay, then talking about PSTR 1 to 5, here they are giving the backup score. All that we have already discussed it, right? So even in GPSTR also, the backup score, everything we have discussed already in our previous videos, and we have also updated everything in the Telegram. Now let's move to what are the main actual shocks here. Now this they are talking about the school assistant master, means HSTR. 85% will be for given will be considered from CET, 13% from degree and 2% from your B.Ed. That is the backup score here actually. Here they are talking about the age limit. If you are from SC, ST, category 1 and person with disability, then 43 years it is. For general merit, it is 38 years upper age limit, and for categories it is 41 years. So you can submit for objections if you are not fine with whatever they are telling here. Okay, and they are telling that after the examination they will first make the merit list, right? In that they will invite candidates in 1:2. That means if number of vacancies will be 10, means 20 aspirants they will call based on the merit list. After verification of documents, no, at that time they will put 1:1. That they are telling here, and I am showing you only important ones. Okay, so here they are telling about the number of vacancies. For PSTR it is 800 posts for Kalyana Karnataka, and for non-Kalyana Karnataka 100 posts are there. So total 900 posts are there. Here they are also telling about the qualification PUC along with D.Ed. Then coming to our GPSTR, Kalyana Karnataka 3228 posts are there, and non-Kalyana Karnataka, that is non-HK, 5272 posts are there. So total 8500 posts will be there for GPSTR teachers, and qualification will be degree, even diploma also is allowed, or even B.Ed will be allowed, and of course TET also will be allowed. And here they are telling about mathematics and science teacher, biology and science teacher, all qualifications they are giving. We can talk about all this later also, or you can also read by yourself. I'll put it in the Telegram channel. But what is more bothering for us? Here see, they are telling something about engineering graduates also. They are telling that in engineering graduates other than graduates in architecture who have studied mathematics in first 3-4 semesters and applied mathematics in rest of the semesters. So that aspirants who have done engineering and done maths in first 3-4 semesters and must have done maths in rest of other semesters are eligible, they are telling. So much else is also written here. We can discuss about this later also. What I actually want to show you is about HSTR. In HSTR for Kalyana Karnataka 2214 posts are there, and in non-HK 2286 posts are there. So total 4500 posts are there. What is more shocking here is they are giving details about the biological science teachers. They are telling that degree must be there, and along with the chemistry, biology and zoology should be there. In that chemistry should be compulsory optional subject, and other things are also they are telling for CBZ for biology science teacher. But after that, no, see, first one is assistant master arts, second one is assistant master in biological science. Then they went for language assistant directly, means they are not talking about physics and mathematics here. I feel that maybe they are doing something big. They are giving attention to physics and mathematics separately. So they will be doing something separately related to PM method teachers. Maybe that is the reason they have not added here. But still, we are allowed to submit the objections, right? So I would urge all the PM method aspirants to submit maximum objections, and let us see what they will do after getting so many objections. At least they will clarify why they have not added PM methods, because no, PM method posts are not there, that is not possible. That is highly impossible. But then why they have not added it here, that the reason we should know, right? So that's why I am asking you all to submit the objections. Let's see then after that what is going to happen. And one more shocking thing here, talking about the exam pattern. So for a PSTR, they are telling paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 will be there. In fact, they are telling it will be same for GPSTR and HSTR also. 3 papers will be there. In paper 1 will be general paper. It will have GK, psychology, mental ability, general Kannada and English, value education, health education and computer literacy. Okay, same like we have for GPSTR. Then paper 2 will be subject specific, they are telling. 50 marks will be MCQs, 100 marks will be descriptive type, they are telling. 50 marks will be objective type and 100 marks will be descriptive type questions, they are telling. So for PSTR, maths, EVS or social science. So here you have to answer in the OMR sheet. Then maths, EVS again or social science descriptive examination will be there for 100 marks. Paper 3 will be language proficiency test. In that also they have made clear 50 marks will be Kannada language proficiency, 50 marks will be English language proficiency. Okay. Talking about GPSTR, again they have given something shocking. Paper 1 to is similar only. General Kannada, General English, GK, Current Affairs, Psychology, Human Development, Value Education and Health Education, Computer Literacy. 150 marks will be there. 150 questions will be there. You have to answer in the OMR sheet. For paper 2 subject specific, earlier for GPSTR, both PM and CB method aspirants would have to prepare for PCMB and exam also would be in PCMB. But now this time they are telling in this draft rule, Paper 2 subject specific 50 marks objective, 100 marks descriptive. For GPT mathematics and science teacher, they are telling subject knowledge only mathematics and physics. They have not added chemistry and biology. So objective type questions 50 marks, that in OMR sheet, and a descriptive 100 marks you have to write. So according to this draft, if you are a PM method aspirant, then you don't need to read chemistry and biology for your exam. This is what they are telling. Like that only for a biology science teacher, you have to read only chemistry and biology, objective and descriptive they are telling. So things have been changed now after this draft. So as of now, PM method aspirants should prepare only for physics and maths. CB method aspirants should prepare only for chemistry and biology for subject specific. So later on what they will do we will see, because now many objections will come based on many things, right? Anyway, I should say that this news related to PM method and CB method should be a good news only for GPSTR aspirants, because PM method aspirants were worried about chemistry and biology. CB method aspirants were worried about maths and physics, right? So in case if this rule is not changed, then we should not be worried much because of this rule, I feel so. Then what all you feel, you can tell me in your paid batches. Now don't worry related to our paid courses. Whatever changes are there, we will take care, because no, all these things are not in our hand, right? But then we have to deal with it. So that's why don't worry about how you will prepare, because we will try our best and take care to help you from all angles. Either it is only CB for CB method or it is only PM for PM method, then also we will take care. Okay, don't worry about that. Revision classes and all that, we will do our best. That much you can trust us. Then about language proficiency in GPSTR, again 50 marks for Kannada, 50 marks for English they are telling. Now the main headache is again for the HSTR portion. See, for the HSTR also they have added descriptive type, as we were having little doubt because the news was already circulating, but then at that time we did not have proper proof that descriptive part will be added. Now we got that proof that the descriptive type is there in HSTR this time. So there will be 3 papers for HSTR also. Paper 1 will be general paper, 150 marks in OMR sheet, General Kannada, General English, GK, Current Affairs, Psychology, Mental Ability, Computer Literacy and Value Education and Health Education they have added. Earlier Value Education and Health Education was not there in HSTR. So that they have added in HSTR. And paper 2 is a big shock. As not shock, we can say it was expected, but now we got the proof. So subject specific 50 marks objective type, 100 marks descriptive type. And as I already told you, they have not mentioned about PM method. They have mentioned about CBZ teachers, subject knowledge, chemistry, biology, 50 marks for objective type, 100 marks for descriptive questions. Okay, and paper 3 will be the language proficiency. This was not there earlier for HSTR. Now they have added that 50 marks Kannada language proficiency, 50 marks English language proficiency. So for PM method aspirants, I would urge that please friends, you all raise objections and submit objections. The objections or suggestions may be addressed to the additional chief secretary to Government Department of School Education and Literacy, 6th floor, MS Building, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Vidhi, Bengaluru. So you have to submit your objections to this address. So friends, please raise your objections and let us see, maybe in they usually take 15 days I think to give the finalized draft. So let us hope for the best. Thank you. All the best. Bye.